Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you are watching Muhammad Atiq Anwar across two channels, Muhammad Atiq Anwar in Education for Us All and Cooking Made Simple. So today we're making a dish that we normally do for the kids and the grandkids. It is macaroni, but we spice it up, so we call it spicy macaroni with uh, vegetables and cheese. Okay, so all these things have been boiled so that they're ready to use for video purposes. But of course, you can start from scratch, as it were. Okay, so the vegetables that we're going to use: broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and potatoes. So we've boiled the macaroni as well. So as always, the spices of your choice. I've got salt and pepper, I've got turmeric, I've got chili flakes. Uh, there's one more. Oh yeah, garam masala. Okay, so these are the other ingredients. Cheese, that's going to be at the end. Tomatoes, again, that's going to be at the end. I have a sauce here, but of course you can make your own sauce. That is really tomato puree, and it's got herbs in it as well. Got double cream, and we have a little bit of milk to make it less spicy for the grandchildren. Okay, so we've got some oil heating away over here, and we're going to start by cutting two onions into it. So as you can see, the onion is being cut. So as you can see, it's sizzling away. We'll let that cook for 2 minutes or so that it softens a little bit more. So I should have said that after a minute or so in the oil we do put some butter in, but of course it's optional. Okay, 2 or 3 minutes have passed now, viewers, so we're going to add the masalas. Okay, so all the masalas have gone in. We'll let those cook for about 2 minutes again. The masala is nicely done now, viewers, so we're going to put in the sauce. So as you can see, we have a tomato sauce with herbs. You can just use puree. Okay, so we got the sauce in. We'll just warm that up a little bit. So I should have mentioned, I do turn the heat up slightly now because we want it to cook quite quickly. Okay. So as you can see, that's bubbling away now, viewers, and this is optional. Again, we make it creamy by adding milk and double cream. So let's add the milk, please, and the double cream. Okay, so again, we'll give that a good tossing, turning, warming. Again, the heat is quite high. So the sauce is bubbling away nicely now, viewers. So as I said, I've cooked the already, boiling them, and the sort of what I would say 95% boiled. But of course, I shouldn't have boiled them that much. But the pasta I've done sort of under. As it were, so we're going to put that in first, and the vegetables actually don't need that much cooking. So let's put the pasta in, the macaroni. Okay, so sticking a little bit, so I'm going to just toss and turn those so that they're nicely cooked again for 2 minutes. So that's beginning to bubble now. So I should have really told you that I cooked the macaroni for about 8 minutes before putting it in with the sauce. So we're ready for the vegetables now, viewers. So all the vegetables go in. As I say, I've cooked them quite well. So I've got the carrots and the broccoli. Well, you have potatoes,